Hi everyone and welcome to my channel. In today's video we're going to be discussing how to optimize your footage for your Insta360 GO3 and Insta360 X3 for uploading with just 2 steps to make sure that we get the best quality video that we can. If you're new here, don't forget to hit that subscribe button, and by the end of this video, if you've enjoyed it, please hit the like button and don't forget to hit the notification bell so you don't miss out on any upcoming videos. Firstly, we're going to be talking about shooting at the highest bit rates. When filming, it is essential that you film at the highest bitrate possible. This ensures that you capture the most detailed information in your footage, which later can be retained during the editing and exporting process. Shooting at a lower bitrate can compromise the footage right from the start. To change this setting in your X3 and GO3, it is so simple to change it to high. All we have to do is swipe down on the screen on the X3 or the GO3, head to settings, then scroll down until we see bitrate, click on bitrate and then change it from standard to high. This is critical because the higher bitrate will result in a better video quality even if the resolution is the same. If your bitrate is low, it will compress that footage and give you a poor quality video at the end of it. After you finish editing your video, it's time to export. Ensure that you export it at the highest bitrate available in your editing software. This ensures that the video remains at its quality during the export process. You can do this in the Studio app, but not necessarily you can do it on your phone. We're not going to get the highest bitrate possible if you export on your phone. Make sure you export in the Insta360 Studio app to get the highest bitrate possible so you're not losing anything to compression when you load it up to your social media. YouTube automatically compresses the video to optimize streaming and storage. However, if in a lower bitrate, it will compress that footage even more and it's a very noticeable decrease in quality. And the last setting we're going to change is the sharpness setting from default at high to low. Low? Why? I hear you ask? Well, let me give you a few reasons why. Lowering the sharpness can give you a more softer feel of video and a more diffused look. In some cases, having a high sharpness can accelerate image noise or grain, especially in low light conditions. Having your X3 or GO3 set at low sharpness will give you more flexibility during post-processing. It allows you to have a slightly softer image. To change this setting, all we have to do is swipe down on our screens, go to settings, scroll down until you see video sharpness and change that to low. Now you're all set up to get the best quality video out of your Insta360 X3 and GO3. If you'd like to pick up an X3 or a GO3, I'll have links below. Please use that link, it helps support this channel. If you pick up an X3, you'll even get a free gift. And until next time guys, I'm Colin from O'Colin out.